In this video, we are doing practice paper MC question 8. So here you get a graph and then there is an equation given, y equals to ax squared minus 2x plus b. And then you have to determine if the AB is positive, negative, and what is A times B, like that, blah, 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 like those things. So first of all, you have to know that something that is next to x squared, that determines if it's the upwards or downwards, like if this a happy face or an unhappy face. If it's a positive thing here, then it's a happy face, and if it's a negative thingy, then it's a unhappy face. So for this one, the graph is unhappy, so from graph it is negative less than 0, but then from equation it's letter A, so you write it that way, A is less than 0, which means the first choice is wrong. Okay, so that's all for the first choice. How about for B? How do we determine that? Now see from the equation, B is single, there is no x with them, others have x, so that shows a big hint. B refers to the y-intercept. Why is that? If you substitute x as 0, 0 times anything is 0, so this is 0, 0 times anything 0, so this also cancelled. So y equals to b. In other words, the y-intercept equals to b. So this part is b. So what do we do with that? From equation, it's b. How about from graph? Is it a positive or a negative? This is the 0. If it's above that, it's a positive. If it's below that, it's a negative. So that's why this question is negative. In other words, second choice is correct. So that's for this part. And how about A times B? Oh, that looks a bit hard, but it's not actually. Let's see where's A and where's B from the equation. It's on the first thing and the last thing. Remember, the original equation is always y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, like that, right? Equations. So the other words, A is here and B is here, so A and C. What can you think of it? If you think of it correctly, then it's b squared minus 4ac. So what is that? That is delta. Delta refers to something that determines number of roots. So how about what's the roots here? Roots are the one how many points touching the x-axis. So it's 2 here. So if it's 2 roots, then it's larger than 0. So what is our b? B is, remember the middle one? The one stick to the coefficient of x. So negative 2 squared minus 4a and c. C is not the letter C, is the one that is constant. So like that. So what is negative 2 squared? Click calculator please. Yes, 4 minus 4ab less than 0. Because this one is negative, let's just move to the other side so that it looks better for AB. But then remember, we just need to find AB. We don't need the 4. 4 is here multiplying. So if you want to remove this 4, it just go to the other side, divide it. AB. So 1. So AB is less than 1. Let's write it this neatly. It becomes AB less than 1. So in other words, this is also correct and your answer becomes D. Hope you like it. These graphs are not hard at all. You just have to be a little bit patient and observant actually. See what's the usage of each thing in the equation and also the graph. If you can find it, then you are on the right track. Hope you like it and see you next time. Bye bye.